Hello guys, Nitin here. You are watching Soul Truck Design. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we will complete this Burj Khalifa model. So let's start it. And so we are at the 86th floor, as you can see. We are at the 86th floor. I have in this previous video you have seen that we have reached at the 86th floor. So now we will complete its 160 floor, 163 floor. Okay. So first you have to go to the this plan here, so it is rendering because it's a very big file here. So go to the 86 here, 86 first you have to go, and now this wing you have to remove it from here. Okay, so first remove this wing, and after that we will check whether it is we are doing the we are going to the right way or not. So we will check in the AutoCAD file that I have made it. Okay, so first you select it, and now delete it from here. So this wing you have to reduce, and this wall you have to remove it from here. And now go to delete here. Now check it from the file here. So Autodesk, go to the Autodesk AutoCAD, and here check it 87 to 98. So move it from 87 to 98, go to from here, and 86 to 98. So it is rendering because it's a very huge file. So first select all these, and it's this beam has been remaining, so select it and remove it also. Okay, so and 86 to 98, so select all these and go to 87 to 98 like this and apply it. So you can see we have reached the 98th floor. So now you have to first you can stack it. So after that you have to go to the 99 to 110, 99 to 110. So remove this wing, and 99 to 110 you have to go. Okay, so if you want this DXF file, you can comment me and you can message me also, so you can get it from me. Okay, so 99 to 110. So select 99 here. To first you have to delete it and go to edit and delete it. Okay, so select all these and 99 to 110. So select all these and 99 to 110. So you will have to delete uh, these joints also. So delete these joints, and after that, okay, these joints also remaining here, and delete it, and 99 to 110. It is also again showing it, and I think these are in the floor below. So select all these and 99 to 110. I think this has been uh, taken to the 110 already. Okay, so select it 99 to 109 because it directly replicate to the 110. So first you have to click and apply here, so it will replicate to the 110. So now go to here plan and check here whether it is replicated or not. Go to the story 110, and yeah, it is successfully done. And now you have to delete this part. So delete it. Yeah, I think I have selected this beam also. Now delete it from and go to here edit, and you can press your keyboard key also and delete it also here, and select all these and go to the Autodesk. So 110 to 123. So 110 to 123. Sorry, 111 to 123. And click apply. So we will check the 3D view after the completion of the replication. Okay, so go to here from directly from 123. So from this plan model, okay, now reduce this beam, reduce this wing, sorry wing, you have to reduce this wing also. You can see its petals also, you can see it petals. So select these here and go to the edit and delete it from here. So after that you have to go to, you have to check it from where you to have to where you have to do the replication. So 124 to 138, 124 to 138. So 138, so you have to replicate it from 124 to 138. So delete it from here first and select all the items here, 124 to 138. Okay, now delete this wing. First you have to go to the 138 here. Now delete this wing. Edit, delete. Now select all these and check it whether 139 to 143. 143. So apply. Yeah, it's done. So next one is 144 to 147. So you have to delete this 144 to 147. Okay, you have to replicate it as it is. So go to the 143 to 147. Go to here 143 and 143 to 147. So you have to go to the as it is. So you can check it from here 144 to 147. So as it is, you have to replicate. Done. So again you have to reduce this part 148 to 151, 148 to 151. So go to here 147 and so after that reduce this wing here. Check it again. So this part you have to remove, only this part, not the inside. So I have selected the inside also. Okay, so only this part you have to remove. So delete it. uh, 148 to 151. Done. 152 to 155. Next one you have to remove this part, this side one. So 152 to 155. So go to here from directly to 152, sorry, 151, and remove this part. Just clear it from here. So after that you can select it easily. This one is remaining. Yeah, you'll have to split it. uh, so you can split it by go to the edit and join frame, divide frame, intersect, and 150 to 155. Select all these and go to 152 to 155. So it is directly has replicated to 155. So select 152 to 154. Your selection here. It is directly again. Again it has gone to the directly. So go to the 153 previous selection, apply 152 previous selection, apply. Okay, so after that you have to go to directly to the 155. So now what do you have to reduce? You have to reduce 155 here, this part, and again this 159, then 63. So you have to delete it also. Then replicate it to 159 flow. So at which we are 155 to 156 to 159. Done. Then you have to remove this part. Go to select one, go to 159. Okay. So after that, delete this part. replicate to the 163. Done. Close it from here and go to the 3D view. So in 3D view, you can see we have successfully done this model of the Burj Khalifa. So I hope you have learned many things from me. And if you have any doubt regarding this and anything else in the structural engineering, you can comment me. So now we have completed the model of the Burj Khalifa. So I will think to design it because my PC processor is very not, we can't say it's very low, but it's not necessary for this. uh, but I will try to design it also, because in the modeling you can see we have to face the so many things, also we have to face so many problem when it's modeling. So if I will do the designing of this model, then it will take a lot of time, because we have to do repeat and repeat analysis, repeat and repeat designing and anything else. So as you can see, we have completed model. So if I will try to design it, if it is taking not much time, then I will think to design it. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any query, you can comment me, or you will see the description box below. You will see my contact number and the email address, so you can message me also. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot.